All right. So let's get started. We have Myra, we have Gitesh, Dikshita, Hiranya, Vivan, and Vibhuvan. And in the classroom we have Advik and Arav.
Did you know new lighting for that?
What is that?
New lighting.
What is
New
it?
lighting.
Yeah. Just to make sure that the board is much more visible. So let's get started. I'm sure kids will keep on joining. But now, before...
Can you close the
Yeah, Dikshita. Yeah, you want me to close the garage? Yeah, go ahead and close that. The one on the bottom. Go and press the button. Yeah.
Oh, what are we going to learn today?
That is the $1 million question. Okay, so I have sent the topic list, which is dealing with percentage word problems, and then we'll talk about introduction to negative numbers, ordering fraction, decimals, and integers. Okay, so Sanvita is also here. Many of the kids are missing, but that's fine. We can actually get started, and when the kids join, we will have more fun. So the first part of the class, when we're talking about percentage word problems, this is where there are two concepts that you guys already have learned. Let me repeat that quickly, and then we will try breaking our head with percentage problems. Okay? Without any injury, okay? No injury. We'll try breaking our head without bleeding. Okay. So we have Vasundhara also. Wonderful. So, everybody knows what is a percentage, right? No doubt.
X by Y times 100?
Concept first. Formula and answer towards the end. First thing is concept. Percent per 100. If I say, and again look at the English part of it. Let's not go into math. Even if it's a math class, we'll not go into math. Say, if I say 80% of, let's say, 500. 80, are you okay? You need water? Yeah. Okay. 80% of 500. If somebody says find it out, this is pure plain English, no maths. 80%. 80%. Cent is a short form of century or 100. 80% of. You also write of as a multiplication sign. 80% of 500, and then you do tic-tac-toe. Yeah. So this is English. There is no big deal.
So 40?
I don't care about the answer. Why are you rushing for giving me an answer? I'm saying this is what it is. Now, whichever way you want to solve it, I'm okay with that. So we have Nihan also in the class. Hey Nihan. So we are trying to learn percentage, and then we'll deal with percentage word problems. Okay? Yeah? And then we'll talk about negative numbers, then we'll talk about arranging or ordering negative numbers, percentage, decimals, rational numbers. Yep. So, look at the English part of it. I said 80% of something. 80% of this number. If somebody says find out 20% of 5,000. What does it mean? Again, same thing, English, this is not math here. 20%. Like you say, right? 70 miles per hour. Per is this, something that is dividing. Per hour. So I'm saying 20%. Cent is a short form of century. Of 5,000. And you do the tic-tac-toe and you find it out. Yeah? Is anything confusing so far? No? So, this is one side of the story. Now, I'll say that let's look at one word problem. One regular or very practical scenario that we all deal with. Let's say, what is the next festival coming up? Next holiday? Probably July?
No, February.
So,
Valentine's Day.
you don't get any deal in Valentine's Day. That
St.
is
Patrick's Day or Easter
Ah.
Day.
So I'm talking about a day when you get a good holiday and you get good deals. Valentine Day is for just bluffing with people. That's all. You don't get any good
They're the
deals.
same
You
package.
get deals on New Year. You get deals on
Same
Labor Day.
package.
Yeah, on Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatnot. So I'm saying, okay, don't get lost in any unnecessary discussion. Okay. You say Valentine's Day, I just cut it saying, okay, that's not useful for us. Let's move on. So leave that aside. Let's see who is missing, who has joined apart from. Okay, I think only Nihan here. Okay, everybody is here. So going back to the thing I was saying, that let's say we are talking about a New Year thing, and you get to know. I keep bragging about this one, right? Trend, and N is your Nike. So let's say Nike is giving you a deal that if you buy 2 pairs of Nike shoes, you get 15% discount. So here's the deal, okay? If you buy 1 pair of shoes, this is a deal for the New Year, okay? 4th July. Not New Year, that is the Independence Day. So Independence Day deal is if you buy 1 pair of shoes, you get 10% discount. If you buy 2 pairs of shoes, you will get 15% discount. If you buy 3 pairs of shoes,
Give them the 25.
20% discount. Okay? So, you had plans to buy, let's say 1 pair of shoe, but then you realize, oh, there's a good deal going on. So I can get shoes for other members in the family also. So you got excited to look at this deal. Okay? Now, you picked up 3 shoes. One is for $80, one is let's say for $65, and another one was a little expensive, $110. Now, how much you will end up paying for these 3 shoes for the given deal? Who can calculate and tell me? I know this is not a difficult problem. I'm still trying to figure out the approach if you have understood this. So
do it to find all.
I will start singing and dancing if you ask me another question. And I sing really bad, trust me. Okay, so again, I'm repeating the question. I'm saying for the Independence Day deal, the Nike gave this offer saying if you buy 1 pair of shoes, you get 10% discount. If you buy 2 pairs of shoes, you get 15% discount. If you buy 3 pairs of shoes, you'll get 20% discount. So you decided to buy 3 pairs of shoes and you picked up the shoes that you liked. One was priced at $80, other one was priced at $65, third one was priced at $110. Now tell me how much you have to pay for buying the shoe, the 3 pairs.
We're supposed to add the prices, right?
Yeah.
Do it your way, let him do his way, we'll figure it out. Do it your way, whatever you understood, do it that way, that's what I'm saying.
Got it.
Okay.
5.1.
Hmm?
Absolute no doing.
5.1.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, Sanita.
I got $204.
So is that the amount that you have to pay for buying all the 3 shoes? I mean 3 pairs? Okay. So okay, $204. Okay. How about you, Gitesh?
I got $51.
$51 for buying 3 shoes, 3 pairs. I wish I have to pay that much for buying 3 pairs. Vasundhara, how about you, beta? Okay.
I got 204 because after
No, okay, 204. Okay, keep the answer there. I'll come back to you. Let everybody finish it. I'll come back to you, okay?
I also got $51.
50, how much? 51. 51 for buying all the 3 pairs. See, because the deal is, I saw that Nike is offering me 10% discount for 1 pair, 15% discount if I buy 2 pairs, and 20% discount if I buy 3 pairs. So that got me excited to buy shoes for everybody else in the family. So I decided to buy 3 pairs. And I picked up 3 shoes. What? I don't know. Yeah.
I got $51 too.
$51 for buying 3 pairs of shoes. I need to find out that store where I can buy 3 pairs of shoes, Nike shoes for $51. But anyway, jokes apart, it's coming back to the question. First shoe that I picked up, that was price $80. Second shoe that I picked up was $65. Third shoe that I picked up was $110. So I'm trying to find out how much did I have to pay for buying all the 3 pairs.
Let me try again just to make
Yep. So Sanvita, you told $204. You can put your hand down. Let's see what Vibhuvan has to say. Yeah, Vibhuvan.
I got 204.
Okay. How about you, Pranav?
I got 204.
Okay. Okay. How about you, Dikshita?
I got 204.
Okay. How about you, Sanvita? Sanvita, you told numbers to me, right?
Yeah, but I got $51 off in total, but after I applied the $51 off, I got 204.
Okay. So that might ring the bell for some of you who were saying $51. So Sanvita made it more explicit, saying that I got $51 off. That is discount that she got, and when she applied that discount, the total money that she had to pay was $204. That's what. So if any of you gave me $51 as an answer, probably you were looking at only the discount part of it.
That is a good discount. That is a terrible and nasty discount.
Okay, let's not waste our energy talking about things that doesn't add any value.
So because then when the right time.
Let's not talk about things that doesn't add any value.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Okay. All right, Myra, how about you? What did you get?
I got $51 off.
$51 off. So how much did you have to pay?
I'm trying to subtract right now.
Okay. Yeah, Nihan.
I got 204,
Okay.
but the off was 51.
Okay. Okay. Now, 204. Okay. So this one is. Hello, Ritika. Ritika is a new child to the class. Hello, Ritika. How are you, beta?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good too. So welcome to the class, okay? And this is your first class, and this is for kids. I call you all kids, right? I mean, you can see my gray hairs. I have 2 daughters as well, and one of my daughters in the class, Myra, is my daughter who is in the class as well. So everybody is like my child, okay? Now this is for level 2, meaning this is for the kids from 6th to 8th grade, okay? And part of this class, I have picked up the syllabus from 6th to 8th grade and have covered, because there are a lot of related concepts, okay? So we covered one iteration of that from last year June till December, January, and we have started the second iteration, okay? So you have joined the right time. You will probably come across a lot of concepts that you have learned before, and some of the things that are new to you that we learn basically. Okay, but as part of this class, so whatever we do, that gets recorded, and then I upload the video of that class on YouTube. Not because I'm a designated YouTuber, but this is only for you guys. Okay, this is only for my students, so that when I'm teaching something, you guys don't have to be busy taking notes. You can just focus on understanding the concept, and then you always have the video to refer to. So if you miss something, you can just go to the video, note it down, and then we do a little bit of assignment also after every week, 8-10 sums. So whatever we learn in the class, you can apply those concepts and see, guys. You can see if whatever we are learning, are we able to apply that for solving problems or not. Okay. So that's the basic structure of the class. So today we are talking about percentage. Okay. So I had given one problem to the kids that everybody solved, and I'm just reading the question for you, and I will solve the problem myself. When we come to the next problem, that is when you also will get an opportunity, Ritika, to show your understanding of the problem, and then how you can explain things or how you can solve it also. Okay. Now the question was this, that Nike is giving this kind of offer during Independence Day sale, where they said if you buy one pair of shoes, you get 10% discount. If you buy 2 pairs of shoes, you get 15% discount. If you buy 3 pairs of shoes, you get 20% discount. The idea is to promote selling of more and more. I mean, they are just trying to get the customers tempted to buy more. As soon as you see 20% discount, so imagine me being one of the customer. I went to the store just to buy one pair of shoes for myself, but as soon as I saw the deal, I thought, okay, I can spend a little more money and I can buy more shoes for my family as well. And then I went on buying 3 pair of shoes, and I picked up 3 pairs which were priced at $80, $65 and $110. And I'm trying to find out, with this kind of a deal going on, how much I have to pay for getting the 3 pairs. So now the condition that applies here is, if you're buying 3 pairs, you get 20% discount. So that's why I picked up 3 pairs, so I will get 20% discount on the overall price. How much money? What is the price of the shoes that I selected? $80 plus $65 plus $110. How much is that? It becomes 5, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 1, 2. 255 is what? Guys, no parallel talks. Stay away from each other. Yeah, that's better. And don't do any drama around it. I just said stay away from each other so that you don't get distracted, neither you distract the class. Now, this is the total money that I had to pay if there was no discount. Since there is a 20% discount that gets applied, meaning I will get 20% discount for this one, and 20% off 255. This is the thing. This is how you read this percentage thing, right? You have to find out 20% of this. So I'm just reading that in English. 20%. Cent is short form of century. So 20% off 255. And then you do the calculation and you find it out. So this becomes 2 5 is 551. So $51 is the discount that you are getting. 20% of this is the discount, which is $51 discount. So essentially, this is what will be deducted from what you have to pay. And then everybody said that you will have to pay $204. Unfortunately, you will not pay $204. You will pay a little more than that, but that is the tax amount.
I love taxes.
Okay. You love Texas or you love taxes?
I think you like
Both is out of equation right now when it comes to solving this problem. So hold it there. Okay. Now let's go to the next problem. And I'm a very bad teacher. I will not let the question remain simple for you guys.
Well, I'm like, math is so easy. I might just get the whole grade.
Done? Let's continue. And guys, okay, my only intention in the class is to make sure that we use 1 hour effectively for learning. That's why you will see me passing on some rude statements to stop any unproductive discussion or any unnecessary dance in the class as well. Okay. Alright, let's go back to this one. So now, I'm not sure if any of you have visited Rack Room Shoes recently. Rack Room Shoes has a unique discount offer. It will say, second pair of shoe, 50% discount. Third pair of shoe, 60% discount. So there's some cryptic thing here, okay?
Is it out of business?
Okay, can you let me complete? Whether they're out of business or in business doesn't matter. As a customer, I don't really care. What I care about is the discount. They can as well close their store tomorrow, I don't mind. I have multiple options to choose from as a customer. I'm interested only in this discount. So the Rack Room Shoes says that they did not tell you, okay, look at this. Nobody is talking about first pair, okay? They're saying second pair of shoe, 50% discount. Third pair of shoe, 60% discount. Now, again, you got excited to find out, this looks great, right? 60% discount. Something which was priced $100, you have to pay only $40. I mean, nothing like it. Now, you picked up 3 shoes. One is $180. One is $140. Another one is $78. Now tell me how much you have to pay.
So, are you
No discussion. No discussion. Read the question one more time.
first, second, third?
Where is first? First is silent.
And then what's the question? Like, but if we have to, do we do it to find 3 pairs or 2 pairs only?
Were you sleeping when I was reading it? What did I write here? Can you read it at least?
180, 140, 78.
So I picked 3 shoes.
Oh.
Really, that's
See, I know you guys believe in talking. I talk a lot as well. But talking is not the only thing. Okay,
Wait, can this make sense too?
What?
that is also not needed. Calculate and give me, once you're ready, then talk. Okay? Copy paste. Okay. Everybody got the question, right? Ritika, you got the question, beta? Dikshita, Myra, Bhuvan, Sanvita got the question as well. Vasundhara, yes we are. There was Nihan, sorry. Yeah, I'll come to you. I'm talking to somebody. Yeah, Nihan, go ahead.
I got the off as $238.80, and then I got the answer as 159.20.
So you got off as $160 and you got to pay only $150. So your discount is more than the amount you have to pay.
238.
No, wait.
Say that again one more time.
Not again, wait.
Take a deep breath. And what I'm saying is, just hold it. I mean, I'll come to everybody, okay? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Bhuvan, tell me.
Yeah, I didn't really understand the question.
So, okay, I'm reading the question one more time. In the Rack Room Shoes, I saw a deal which says second pair of shoes 50% discount, third pair of shoes 60% discount. So I was a little confused by reading that. What was the first pair of shoe? Okay, fine. Second pair of shoe, 50% discount. Third pair of shoe, 60% discount. Maybe there is no discount for the first pair. So I said, okay, fine. Since the discount looks very lucrative, I'll go for, guys, since the discounts look very attractive, I'll go for 3 pairs. I picked up one shoe which was priced at $180, other one priced at $140, and third one priced at $70. I'm trying to find out how much discount in total I'm getting and what is the amount that I have to pay before taxes. Yeah, Nihan.
So I got my offer as $238 and $238.80. That's my offer, and then and then I have to pay $161.20.
So this is what you have to pay, and this is the discount that you got.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what Sanjita has to say. I'll come to you.
I got the discount of $238.80 too, but as the price I had to pay, I got $159.20.
Okay. So this one is matching, but this is where we have another variation. Yeah.
159.20.
Okay. Okay. And the discount was this much. How about you? Read it. Read it. For me.
This is the one.
You know what? Eagles can see from 2,000 feet height. I have weak eyes.
Oh, so
Read
I
it for
got
me.
159.2 with a discount 238.80.
That's what I wanted to hear. Yes. Okay. Anybody else? Gitesh, Pranav, Ritika, Vasundhara, Vivan, anybody? Guys. Last class you were crying that he is poking your eyes. Now who is poking whom? Yeah, Nihan, you told the answer already.
Yeah, but I forgot to borrow from the 7 to 17, so that's why I got 161. But my real answer that I checked was 159.20.
That's good. So that's another thing that we all need to practice as students. Even when you finish something, make sure that you review. That's a very important part. Not only for while doing practice, even in the exam. Keep 5 to 10 minutes for review. Once you finish the entire thing, keep 10 minutes and go back to what you did, step by step validate. Yeah. Alright, who's going next? Hiranya, Vasundhara, Gitesh, Myra. Yeah, Ritika, are you able to approach this problem?
Yeah, I got the same answer as the second
Same. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. So again, my request to you guys would be, don't be shy. Just share it, okay? Even if you go wrong, that's fine. We'll figure it out. Okay? So if you see your answer is way different from others, still doesn't matter. Okay?
This is nothing.
Okay. Don't make that sound, please.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Hiranya.
I have the same answer too.
Same answer. You are making a teacher jobless now. Yeah, Gitesh, tell me.
I got 178 as the not the discount. I got 142 as a discount and 178 as the final price.
Okay. So now I am excited. I have 2 answers and I have a reason to do it myself. If everybody would have given the same answer, I would have thought that okay, fine, let's be lazy. I mean, everybody got the same answer, everybody understood. No need to dance. Yeah, Pranav.
So I got 281.20.
Wonderful. That makes me even happier.
Wow.
There are 3 options to choose from.
That is, but is everybody picking 150?
It's not picking. You're not out for a cherry picking season where you pick cherries. You don't have to pick answers. You have to do it and figure out if you went wrong anywhere.
Pick answers and put it in the basket.
Okay. So, anyways, okay. Now let's go back. Myra, anywhere close to being done?
Almost there. I knew you had the
Okay, how about you, Dikshita?
I'm close, sir.
Okay. Alright, so now, just in the interest of time, let me try solving this like a child would do. Now, so Ritika, this is for you, beta, okay? There is a very boring concept that I keep talking about, and I know many of the kids in the class, they hate me for this, but I don't have a choice.
Is it called Ultron?
I don't want to do this.
It's called,
Ultron.
can you keep quiet, just for God's sake, for 2 minutes?
Okay.
It's called Strand, and this is my magic wand for solving any problem. Meaning, you need to trust yourself that if anybody in the world can solve a problem, that is me. So, if you come across any problem, you trust that okay, I can solve it. Then comes R. R stands for read, 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 and read. So, if you have a question, if you read it once, twice, 3 times, you will see the question sounds easier. Then comes A, meaning analyze. Start thinking about it. Come up with your plan. And then comes N. N is a short form of Nike. Nike's slogan is just do it. What this means is, if you have a question or any problem to solve, obviously you need to trust that I can solve it. Read it enough, make your plan, think about what are the things that you know, what is the formula that you want to apply, and then you try solving it. Where we go wrong is, we pick up a problem and jump onto solving it. That is where the probability of going wrong is more. So that's what I wanted to tell you, and this is more like a ritual that I do when there is a new child joining the class, okay? Sorry everybody for boring you guys, but yeah, wanted to make sure that Ritika is also on the same page. Yeah, Nihal.
What does T mean?
T is for trust, meaning that should be part of our personality, that okay, do I need to get scared of any mathematical problem? No. I need to believe in myself that yes, if I have a problem to solve, if anybody in the world can solve it, that is me. Okay, now let's go back to this problem. So, that's why now I'll practice Strand, okay? Trust is there. I cannot distrust myself being a teacher, right? So I have to trust, I don't have a choice. Reading the question, I'm reading it now. Raccoon Shoes says, second pair is 50%, third percent 60% discount. First thing that rang the bell for me was, what about the first pair? Then I started thinking, okay, now I understand. Raccoon Shoe is trying to promote more sales. That's why I say, okay, first pair is given. You have landed in my store for buying a pair of shoes. One pair of shoes you will buy for sure. If you buy more, that is where I am creating excitement for the customer. If you buy second pair, you get 50% discount. On the third pair, you get 60% discount. So this is a discount on every pair. On the second pair, 50%. On the third pair, 60%. First pair is no discount. So now I know that okay, if I buy one pair of shoes, no discount. Look at the sticker price, paid, done. There is no discussion needed. There is no, Arif, do you have to poke your nose into everything that happens around you? Do you think you are so very important? No, right? You will be more efficient if you are not important. You will focus on your work, and that will make you more successful. So don't waste your energy and time for others. Now coming back to this. So I see that second, if anybody wanted to go to the bathroom, you don't have to raise your hand and then ask. Just go to the bathroom. I'll figure it out. Now, second pair of shoes 50% discount, third pair is saying 60% discount. So I see a reason to buy more as a customer. And I picked up 3 shoes, 180, 140 and 78. When I'm trying to solve this problem as a student, I know, okay, second pair gives me 50%. So whatever is my price of my second pair, that is 50%. What is the price of my third pair, that is 60%. Okay, so first pair, $180. No discount. I have to pay 180 for this one. That's okay. First pair, my price is fixed. Second one, it says 50% discount. So 50% discount on this price. So 50%, 50%. Again, cent is a short of century, which is 100. 50%, this is English, okay? 50% of 140. This is my price. I'll do this calculation now. So I don't know if you guys have seen this thing. You can knock off zeros independently, okay? If you have the zero at the end. This is one other form of tic-tac-toe. 1 0 1 0 I can knock off. 1 0 1 0 I can knock off. And mind it, you are only knocking off the zero at the end, okay? Don't do it. If you have 1 0 4 6, divide by 10. If you knock off this zero with this zero, you'll have fun. Okay? You can only knock off if the zero is here. You can only knock off the zero at the end. Don't mess with the zero which is in the middle. I mean for faster calculation. Otherwise you do it the way you are comfortable. Now this tells me that okay, I'm going to get 14 times 5, that is 70. $70 discount on the second pair. So $70 discount on the second pair. So 70 is my discount and the price becomes 140 minus 70. That is 70 again. So second pair is done. Now third pair, 60% discount. So what is the price for third pair? Third pair price is $78. 60% discount. So you can act a little smart here. Say okay, 60% discount meaning I have to pay only 40% of the price. That way you can skip one step. So or let's say 60%, okay? 78, 60%. 60% of 78. And don't be busy with anything in parallel, not needed. 3, 5. So this becomes 3 8 are 24, 3 7 21 plus 2, 23 divided by 5. This becomes 5 4 are 20, 5 6 are 30.8. So my discount is this much. My discount is 46.8 is my discount. What is the price I have to pay? So 78 minus 48.6, 46.8. So this becomes 0.2, 7 minus 6, 1, and then 7 minus 4, 3. So 31.2. So now if you look at this, what did I do? Did I do something fancy? No. First pair, no discount. 180 is what I have to pay. Second pair, 50% discount. 50% of discount. $70 is discount and $70 is the price after discount. 140 minus 70 gives you 70. Now third pair, 60% discount. 60% of 78 is 46.8. And hence the price of that will be 78 minus 46.8, which is 31.2. How much you have to pay? 180 for the first one, 70 for the second one, 31 for the 31.2 for the third one. 2, 1 is 1, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 3, 18, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1, 2. 281.2 is what you have to pay. And how much discount you got? First one you got 0 discount, second one you got $70 discount, third one you got $46.8 discount. So your total discount was 0 plus 70 plus 46.8, which makes it 70 plus 40, 110, so 116.8. Yes, I want to see who got the same answer, and if you got a difference, why was the difference? How much did you pay for the 3 shoes? Yep. So, is it sounding complicated or
It's too easy.
what was your answer?
159.2 for 3 shoes.
159.3 shoes. And I'm saying that you had to pay $281.2 for 3 shoes. See, first of all, 159 is out of equation because first pair of shoe there is no discount. 180 is the minimum that you have to pay, and then 50% of this and 40% of this is what you have to pay. By no means it can be 159. You are saying way too easy. You are busy dancing. Dance doesn't get you a score in math. Yep. Yeah. So This much of silence is not needed. I want to see again, being right or wrong is no crime. It's just about knowing where we are missing something. Now tell me, if one of you, be honest enough and tell me if your answer matched this one or it did not, if it did not match, why it did not match? Where did you miss that step?
My answer matched.
Your answer matched. Okay, that's good. How about you?
I accidentally added the 180.
You say
Mine matched.
I added
Okay.
the 180.
you added 180. You did not add 180 or you added 180?
Added 180.
You had to add. Oh, you. Where did you add it?
Like at the start.
No, so simple thing is this. First pair is no discount. If you consider 180, the first pair for any discount, that is one potential mistake zone. Second pair is $140 and you are getting 50% discount. So you have to apply 50% only on this one. Third pair is 60% discount. You have to apply the discount only on this one. As long as you are doing it neat and you are applying this part of the thing is your brain. If you are clear with your approach that okay, I'm going to apply discount only here and here for second and third pair. This analysis part, this is very important. So if you come to Nike in the first place, that is where you can go wrong. Yes, Gitesh.
I got it wrong because I took 180. I took 180 as a third shoe. I took 140 as the second shoe and 78 as the first shoe. Because that's
Okay.
supposed.
So you did not go wrong doing calculation. You chose the wrong sequence basically. And you know what? Raccoon shoe is not going to be as generous as I was while I was solving it. Okay, they will say 50%. All this discount applies in the increasing order, meaning first the discount will be applied on the smallest priced item. Then, because there is no numbering, right? 1, 2, 3. Which shoe you are claiming as first pair or second pair? There is no numbering, right? They will say 50% discount on the smallest price. Then 60% discount on the second smallest price. So they will pick this as your third shoe, this as your second shoe, so that they have to give least discount on this one. Because more the discount, bigger the number, it's a problem. Yep. Yes, Anvita, go ahead.
My answer matched as well.
Okay. So again, there is no problem with the calculation part of it. Only thing that we have to be careful is okay. So only thing that we have to be careful about is reading the question and making sure that we know what exactly the question is asking for. Who all likes sweets here?
What?
Who all likes sweets? Everybody likes sweets, right? So let's say you go for, you want to eat gulab jamun, let's say. Okay? You want gulab jamun and somebody gives you, let's say, rasmalai. You will not like it, right? Because your priority is gulab jamun. So same way, if the question is something, the ask is something different, and you provide something else, that is where you will go wrong. So it's very important for us to do proper analysis by reading the question again and again and understand what exactly the ask is. Once you are clear, once your understanding of the requirement and the requirement of the question is on the same page, then Nike is your best friend. Yep. Alright. So this part is clear, right? Now let's look at one more interesting word problem. Are you guys ready for solving one more word problem?
No.
Outside the classroom. See,
Yes.
it's called return on investment. Whatever investment you do, you'll get return for that. I said, are you interested? Are you game for a good word problem? You said no. I said out of the class. Straight. Yep. Alright. So let's go to Okay. So if I put $10 in bank, can I assume bank will be generous enough to give me $10,000 as interest? No, right? It's called return on investment. What you invest, your return will be in the proportion of that. Okay? So that see again, when I'm scolding you guys also, then I'm trying to teach you math. Okay, now come back to this one. Let's look at one word problem. Nike comes towards the end. Hear me out first. My total worth is 1/5 of my neighbor. My total worth, or let's say the amount of money I have today in cash is 1/5 of what my neighbor has. Okay? This sentence is clear? My neighbor has 60% worth of cash compared to his uncle. Okay? His uncle's total worth is based on $1,000 a month he has saved for last 12 months.
12,000?
I don't know. How much is my worth? So I'm repeating the question, okay? Hear me out. I'll go slow. I have cash which is 60% of what my neighbor has. 60% of what my neighbor has. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me repeat. My neighbor has 4 times of how much money I have. My neighbor has 4 times
4.
of what I have.
You said 5.
Let it be 4 now. I've written it. Now you have a proof and evidence recorded on the video also. So I'm saying my neighbor has 4 times of what I have. Okay? In cash. Okay? Now, my neighbor's net worth is 60% of what his uncle has. Has in cash. His uncle has enough cash that he has saved, or his uncle has as much cash as he has saved by saving $1,000 per month in last 1 year. How much cash I have? So his uncle has as much cash that he would save by saving $1,000 per month in last 1 year. How much I have?
1,800.
I don't care. There is no rush. There is no rush. I just finished the question and you have already solved it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. We'll see. We'll see if this is right or not. Okay. I'm repeating the question one more time. See, I'm kind of trying to tailor your speed
Wait, what is
so that you focus more on its accuracy. Okay. Yep.
Wait, what is that? What does Uncle have again? I can't read that. Like I can't.
He has already solved it. You are not.
I can't read the handwriting.
Okay. So let me read the question one more time. I have some money, but in cash, I have some money in cash, which is wherein my neighbor has 4 times of what I have. So I have some cash, but my neighbor has 4 times of what I have in cash. My neighbor has 60% of what his uncle has in cash. His uncle has as much money that he could save by saving $1,000 per month in last 1 year. How much money I have? Okay, so you said how much?
1,800.
1,800. Okay, Vivan.
I got 1800.
1800. Sanvita.
I got the same.
Dikshita.
I got 1800 too, sir.
Okay. How about Bhuvan, Ritika, Myra, Gitesh, Yasundara, Yavasundara? 1800. Hiranya?
I got 1800 too.
Okay. So I'm waiting for
Yeah, go.
1800. Okay. I'm waiting to hear from Pranav, Myra, Bhuvan, and Ritika.
I got 1800. I got 1800.
Okay.
I got 1800.
Everybody's getting 1800.
What about you?
So coughing is not somebody does on purpose. No,
You.
no, don't. Okay. Now, Yavasundara, you say, that is disrespectful to somebody who has problem. Yep, Yanihan.
I got $1,800.
Okay. Now, so Ritika will hear something that she will not like, but unfortunate. So it's an unfortunate but true. I don't trust anybody when it comes to an answer. And that is not because I'm a bad human being. It is because that's a message that I pass on to you guys. That whenever you have a problem to solve, even if your best friend says this is the answer, don't trust him or her. Do it yourself. So that's what I'll do now. So now I will apply trial. So I will keep T silent. Now start with R, which is reading, then analysis, and then doing it. I have some cash. My neighbor has 4 times of what I have. Okay, in cash. And my neighbor's worth is 60% of what his uncle has in cash. And uncle has as much money that he could save by saving $1,000 per month in last 1 year. Okay. So here essentially what we see is we'll go in the reverse order. That's what my thought process is. Because if I find out how much uncle has, I can find out how much my neighbor has, and then I know I have 1/4 of what my neighbor has. So if I start from here, find out uncle's net cash, then my neighbor's net cash, then that will help me determine my net cash. This is my thing, the analysis part of it. Now Nike, so now do it. Find out how much uncle has. Uncle has been saving $1,000 per month for last 12 months in 1 year. So basically uncle has 1,000 into 12, which is 12,000. Okay, so one thing is decoded. Now uncle has $12,000. That is a known secret. Now my neighbor has 60% of what his uncle has. So whatever uncle has, neighbor has 60% of that. 60% of uncle's net cash. 2 zeros at the end, 2 zeros at the end. Done. So 60 into 120. 12 6 are 72, and then 2 zeros, 7,200. So my neighbor has $7,200. Now my neighbor has 4 times of what I had. So 4 times of my value is 7,200 is what my neighbor has. So my value is 7,200 divided by 4 and 1,800. So now I have a reason to say yes, I trust you guys because your answer and my answer matches. We all did solve it the same way. Yep. So this was one part of the plan that we had for the class today. Now let me quickly read through it and see how much of that we could cover. We had just 3 more minutes, so we will not be able to pick up any new topic, but let's see how much we had planned to cover and how much we actually covered. Okay. So we had planned to cover percentage word problems. We looked at some of them. And then second was introduction to negative numbers, ordering fractions, decimals and integers.
So will that also come with classified numbers?
Same thing. Yep. Yes, Dikshita.
I don't think I can beat tomorrow. So what are we going to learn tomorrow, sir?
So we are going to learn understanding negative numbers, introduction to negative numbers, then we talk about ordering or classifying numbers or putting them in a certain order based, for decimals, numbers, negative numbers, fractions, all that on a number line. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And this is what I have planned for tomorrow, but let me go through the syllabus and probably I'll add something more to it because just dealing with numbers would not be enough. So, that is a, what you call, that is not even a live thing. The box doesn't move by itself. You are the one who is bothering it and creating noise. Don't do it. Now, what we want to do today is, before, in next couple of minutes, make sure that we understand different types of numbers. Okay? So, everybody has seen the number line, right? You guys have seen, you would have seen it 100,000, maybe 10,000 times. So, I'll not take your time and energy here. Any number line looks like this. So, all positive numbers on this side, all negative numbers on this side. So, from 1 to infinity, basically if I am starting from 1, going all the way to all possible numbers, this is called something. Does anybody remember what is that called?
A line.
I am talking about numbers. Numbers starting from 1. Normal. For natural numbers, for a very unnatural response. Okay? So, all the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, if you keep going on, these are called natural numbers. Yes, Dikshita.
Is it real numbers?
No, this is natural number.
Okay.
Now, you include 0 also into it.
A whole number.
I heard it. I hope nobody has heard on the screen. Any response from the screen? What is this called? If you include 0 also into this list, what is that called? Any guesses?
Whole numbers?
Whole numbers. So this is natural number. This is whole number. Now, I'm including negative numbers also into it. What is it called? What is this called?
Integers.
I'll come to you. Okay. Anybody on the screen?
Integers.
Integers. Yeah. So all positive numbers, natural number, include 0, that becomes whole number, include negatives, that is integers. So we'll talk about other forms where we talk about decimals, fractions, rational numbers and real numbers in the next class, and then we'll talk about how do you classify them, how do you deal with them, and
Rational numbers.
we'll come to that. So I don't